Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and I'm really proud to share with you today a world premiere of our brand new Tesla Model 3 TMaxx Aero Sport Body Kit. Check this thing out. This is how you differentiate yourself from all the other Model 3s on the road. And while this is one of the most successful cars in the world, you know what? We see Model 3s every single day and they all start to look alike. But not with this Aero Sport Body Kit. This is a game changer and changes the complete look of your Model 3, starting off with a full front bumper replacement. Your bumper comes off and this one goes on, and check out how aggressive it is. It's got a whole new look to it. A lot of the design inspiration came from some hypercars that are out there on the market. I'm sure you'll see some resemblances, but we absolutely love it. We wanted to make your Model 3 look as different and as sporty as possible. So after you're done with the front bumper, let's go to the rear of the car so that you can see that we've also replaced the rear bumper. So now as we make our way to the back of the Model 3, check this out. Just like the front bumper, the rear bumper gets completely replaced, and wow, what a transformation. You could see the design elements and the cues match the front, and then you have this really cool rear diffuser. I mean, this is absolutely a game changer. Now, let's talk about the wing. This is the third and final part of the kit. This is our trunk wing spoiler. It is, as you can see, a little bit sportier, a little bit more aggressive than the one that we currently sell on our site, but this is a perfect match to the body kit. As you could also see, when we painted the front and rear bumpers, we decided to go ahead and accentuate the rear diffuser by painting it gloss black, as well as the wing gloss black. That ties in with the gloss black chrome delete that we did first to this Model 3, because this is an early Model 3, it's a 2019. Back then, everything had chrome trim. We did a chrome delete in gloss black to go ahead and tie in with some of the other elements that are on this body kit. Now, we did not stop there. As you could also see in the rear over here, we have our Alpha-X taillights. This is also a game changer. They're so much cooler. They do so many more things than the regular standard taillights, and it just looks sportier. Moving back to the front of the car, you can see that we also changed the headlights, and these are also made by our friends at Alpha-X. Not only do these headlights look very cool, they're also about 35% brighter, giving you better driving performance than the factory headlights. And then, as you could also see some of the other small elements, we went ahead and we put the Tesla T emblem in gloss black to tie in with the chrome delete. And let's talk about the wheels. 20-inch wheels using our brand new TSR style wheel, very sporty. We feel that this is the perfect match with the body kit, and they are finished in satin black. And also, as you can see, we have our red brake caliper covers. This is not a performance Model 3, but our red brake caliper covers for the front and rear actually give it that performance look. So that's a really nice improvement as well. To finish it all off, we actually installed our lowering springs to go ahead and reduce the ride height of the Model 3, which also greatly improves your ride quality experience. Our springs are really great, and it does definitely change and improve how you feel when you're driving the car on the road every day. And also, because it brings it down in ride height, looks so much cooler. Actually, about 3/4 of an inch reduction in ride height when you use our lowering springs. Now let's go inside and I'll show you some other great accessories that we installed. Well, Tesla fans, you asked for it and we brought it. Yes, we have a yoke steering wheel replacement for your Model 3 and your Model Y. And I have to say, it's absolutely super cool. Very, very similar to a brand new Model S or a Model X. Obviously, that's where the inspiration came from. And you know what? Now that you have this yoke steering wheel, it adds a whole new level of enjoyment and fun when driving your Model 3 or your Model Y. And it also opens up your visibility for your dash, the road, etc., just like on a brand new S and X. So since we're in a Model 3 right now, as we all know, we've got our screen right here off to the right. And I wanted to share with you something that's been a really great seller for us, and that is our MSX Pro Dash, which you see is actually a complete dash replacement. This whole panel, which normally would be wood or white, if you had a white interior from Tesla, actually comes off, and this new panel comes on, and check this out. We now have a integrated instrument cluster that gives you all the necessary information of what gear you're in, how fast you're driving, how much battery you have left, how many miles are on the car, TPMS information, everything pretty much that you need to get instant notification of or awareness is now right here, right in front of you, right in your line of sight while driving. The factory screen still works great. It does everything that it is supposed to do, but the MSX Pro is a really nice addition. And when you combine that with the yoke, this is really a whole new driving experience with a lot of great visibility. That's all I got for you today, Tesla fans. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the link below to get some more information about this body kit. And for now, I'm out of here.